All right, the last one in this module are 5.5.10. All right, so there's 8 steps here. Again, you can check your answers as you go through. Merge and center A1 to D1. So I'm going to select, shift, and use my arrows over. I'm merging it, and it automatically centers. Then add the title style to the merged cell. So I'm going to go to Cell Styles and select the title style. Add the heading style to A2. So I'm going to come over here, A2 through D2, select my cell styles, and add heading 3. Um, Apply the phone number formatting to C3 through C7. So I'm going to come up here again, go to more number formats, select special, and select phone number, click OK. Use AutoFit to resize columns A through C. So I'm going to highlight those, put my cursor in between, and double click. It'll automatically move everything to the largest cell. All right. Make the column D 200 pixels. So I'm going to select D like that, move it over to 200 pixels. And then apply text wrapping from D3. So there's D3 down to, oops, so D3 to D7, there's our text wrapping button, and you can see it automatically wraps everything around. Make rows 3 through 7 60 pixels high. So I'm going to select 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we're going to make them all 60. There you go. And center A2 through D7. So we're going to center that. And then check your answers. And I'm missing something. What am I missing? Oh, and vertically. So I did it horizontally. There's our vertical. Check the answers. Everything is good.